okay? Do you want to stop?
Yeah, no, it's, I haven't been with anyone since my surgery.
It's okay. We don't have to do this.
No, I want to, and I want it to be with you. I don't know.
Go ahead. You can touch it. There used to be a zipper, but I had it removed.